Hey, bestie. I know exams can be so stressful sometimes. Like your brain wants to study, but your soul just wants a nap. But don't worry, I got you. Today I'm spilling the real secrets, not those boring make a timetable tips, but actual high rank student tricks that'll help you score the highest in your exams like a total topper. So grab your coffee, tie that messy bun, and let's
Three,
dive right
two,
in.
one.
Hash 1. Decode the paper setter's mind. Every teacher or examiner has a hidden pattern. Bestie, you just have to catch it. Some always repeat questions in a slightly different way, some give more marks for neatly labeled diagrams, and some are obsessed with definitions. Go through previous papers or old class tests. You'll start to see patterns like certain chapters appear every time. Some questions are always 2 or 3 marks. And some examples are teacher favorites, MP. Once you figure that out, study their way, not randomly. Toppers don't know everything. They just know what to focus on. 2. Master the anchor concepts. Don't waste energy memorizing every single line. Instead, understand the core idea behind each chapter, the anchor concept. Like in biology, it's always how something works and why. In chemistry, reactants, process, result. In history, cause, event, effect. In math, formula, logic, example. If you get that one central idea, everything else becomes easy. Even twisted questions connect back to that root concept. That's how toppers answer confidently, even when the paper feels tough. They link every question to the core idea. 3. Turn your notes into questions. Instead of writing photosynthesis is the process of, flip it. How does photosynthesis happen? Why does it need sunlight? When you think like the examiner, your brain starts recalling faster and deeper. It's called active recall, and it's how medical and law students remember tons of info. You're not just reading, you're training your brain to retrieve answers during exams. Ham 4. The 3-level revision formula. Here's a secret toppers swear by. Revision has levels. Level 1. Understand everything clearly. No memorizing yet. Level 2. Recall without looking. Try to explain it to yourself out loud. Level 3. Recreate it on paper, like you're writing an actual exam. That third step is where most people fail. They think they know it until they try to write it. So test yourself again and again. By the third round, everything sticks like glue. Hazard 5. The micro cheat sheet trick. This one's actually genius. Take a small sticky note or flashcard and write formulas, keywords, definitions, diagrams, super tiny ones. You're not cheating. You're creating a memory spark. When you revise these before the exam, your brain instantly pulls up the full concept from memory. It's like unlocking big info from tiny hints. And the best part? You can carry them anywhere, your pocket, your desk, even your mirror. 6. Build a reset ritual. Before every study session, do a little ritual to reset your mind. Stretch your neck, drink some water, close your eyes for 30 seconds, and say, open quote, focus mode, on. This sounds small, but it trains your brain to shift instantly into study energy. After a few days, your mind will automatically know, okay, it's focus time. Hasha 7. Simulate the exam by bestie. Practice like it's the real thing. Once or twice a week, set a timer and do a full paper. No notes, no distractions. It's not just about knowledge, it's about stamina and speed. You'll learn how to manage time, stay calm, and handle pressure. So when the actual exam comes, your brain's like, we've done this before. It builds confidence like nothing else. 8. Fix the weak links. First, top scorers don't waste hours redoing their favorite topics. They go straight for the ones they hate. Make a list of all the topics you struggle with and tackle one each day. You don't need to be perfect at everything, but every time you strengthen one weak topic, your total score jumps automatically. That's how toppers quietly level up while others keep revising the easy stuff. 9. Presentation equals secret marks magnet. You could know everything, but if your paper looks messy, marks drop. So make your answer sheet your best friend. Use short paragraphs. Underline keywords neatly. Leave proper spacing between answers. Always draw diagrams or flowcharts where possible. It makes your paper look professional and teacher-friendly. Remember, teachers are human too. Neat papers make them smile, and sometimes give extra marks. 10. Final 7 days game plan. Here's your last week winning formula. Day 7 to 5, quick revision of everything. Don't panic about perfection. Day 4-3, focus only on important and high-weight chapters. Day 2, revise all your microcards, formulas, and your mistake list. Day 1, don't open new topics. Chill. Sleep well, visualize success. Toppers don't cram on the last day, they preserve their calm. That's their real power. And that's it, bestie. Those are the real topper level secrets nobody talks about. And if you've made it to the end of the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content.